Hey guys, what's going on? Hunter here from VW World. We got another test for you guys today, a 0 to 60 to be exact. We're in the 2019 Volkswagen GTI Rabbit Edition. Can't see the outside of this one, but we're in Urano Gray. So with this, as you can see right here, we have the 7-speed DSG. We did have a manual, a lot of fun I must say, but we're going to test this one with the DSG. Of course, we got that 2-liter turbo producing that 228 horsepower at approximately 4,700 RPM and 258 foot-pounds of torque at approximately 1,500 RPM. So we have that 8 horsepower jump over the previous year on all GTIs. This thing weighs in at about 3,100 pounds, I believe, just over. And we got a 13.2 gallon tank, and with this we're looks like about at a quarter of a tank of fuel, so you can get an idea of how much weight we're carrying in fuel, not too much. So we should be able to get a pretty good time with this thing. So let's get to it. A little less talking. Let's get back and drive, and then make sure we're in sport. You see that S in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Want to scoot up here to perfectly flat ground. We got pretty dry conditions today, so hopefully we don't spin the tires too much. As always, we'll do a little boosted launch here and see our time. So we'll stop here, get it down to 0, get the RPM up, and we'll go in 3, 2, 1, and go. And we hit that pretty quick. So that was a boosted launch. And come around here. Want to also do a roll on throttle here. We'll slow down and get a little less lag out of it. So come around a corner here, get on some more flat ground, and we'll slow down, and then we'll get on it just a little bit. All right. We're still in sport, and we'll do a roll and throttle in 3, 2, 1. And on the brakes. Well, pretty impressive. I want to know what you guys think about the acceleration on this thing. And so we hear this kind of rumored news that there's going to be a high horsepower GTI coming for, what is that, 2020 model. So I want to hear from you guys on what you guys think, and then, like always, hit the like button on this video so we can be sure to see that you guys like it, and hit subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep bringing videos out to you guys. Well, once again guys, thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon.